Hello everyone, I'm Sister Sarah. Today, I want to share a true story from a workshop that moved me to tears. I got up at 5 in the morning, still sleepy, and rushed to a professional training. Honestly, the lecture at the beginning was pretty boring, and I almost fell asleep. But in the afternoon, I met a polar expedition guide. Her presentation had no words, only photos and videos of Antarctica, and it completely shook me. She works in Antarctica guiding cruise passengers, and her most common neighbors are over 30 cute penguins. She once arranged a polar camping night, thinking she would fall asleep instantly from exhaustion. But the symphony of nature outside the tent kept her awake all night. Sometimes the sound of falling snow, sometimes the sound of a whale breathing. In that quiet and pure polar world, her heart was deeply moved. As she spoke, I felt incredibly touched. At the end of the session, she even played her own flute composition, along with videos she filmed in Antarctica, filling the entire room with quiet power. At that moment, I truly became a crybaby. It was one of the rare workshops in my life that made me cry. I felt so lucky, so I decided to turn this emotion into a video to share with you. If you enjoy stories like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Your small support is my big motivation to keep creating. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.